Good morning, children. I hope all are very good and follow the lessons. Okay, I will teach the mathematics. Today, second class, semester 1, our fourth lesson, subtraction. It is the part 2 video, second video. Okay, already discussed about the what is the subtraction, how to solve the subtractions with the use of small things. For example, I will give you the example. You have one hand have the 5 fingers. Close the 2 fingers. Remaining how many fingers are there? 3 fingers. So it is called a subtraction. It is called a difference. Okay, called a difference. Next, discuss about the today topics. Subtraction without regrouping. Today topic was subtraction without regrouping. What is the without regrouping? Do you know? Okay, I will give you the example. Take the number. Number. First write the place values. It is the ones place. It is the tens place. Place values always start with ones, tens and hundreds. So first one is the write the place values. Ones and tens. What is the number? So it is the no number. It is the there is the no number. So draw the star symbol. First one, draw the 4 lines. Subtracted how many? What is the number? 3. So subtracted 3 lines. Remaining how many lines are there? Only 1. So right here 1. Next, 1 subtracted anyone? No. So 1 subtracted 0. Take 1. So the difference is 11. It is called a without regrouping. I will give you the another example also. Take the 28 minus 5. There is the no number. So draw the star one. First write the place values. Ones and tens. Draw the 8 lines here. What is the number? 5. So subtract the 5 lines. Remaining how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3. Write the 3 in ones place. Why? Because first solve the ones place. Next, go for the tens place. Any number are subtracted? No. So directly write the 2. So the difference is the 23. 28 minus 5 equal to 23. So this type of subtraction is called subtraction without regrouping. Okay, our next topic was subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. What is with regrouping? I will give you the example. Okay. First take the numbers 35 minus 7. 35 minus 7. So there is the no number. So draw the star. First write the place values top of their numbers. It is the ones place. It is the tens place. Draw the 5 lines. Why? Because there is the number 5. Subtract 7 numbers. It is possible? No. How to subtract the 5 from 7? No, it is impossible. That's where he take the borrowing. He take the borrowing means what is the number? 3. So cross out the 2. Why? Because one number is go to the here. Take the 1. So 5 subtracted come from 15. Why? Because ones come from the tens place. So 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. So 15. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. Remaining 8 lines are there. So draw the 8 in a ones place. Next, 1 is already go to the ones place. So remaining only 2. Write the 2. So it is called a difference. I'll give you another example also. For example, 52, 4. Okay, draw that. 2 minus 4 is possible? No. So take a 1. So 1 plus 10 plus 2, 12. So it comes a 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 12 minus 4, 8. Cross out the, here cross out the 12, cross out the 4. 1 is already go for the ones place. Go for the ones place. So answer is the 48. It is called a subtraction with the regrouping. I will once again repeat you. For example, take the number 52 minus 4. 2 minus 4, it is possible? No. So one is borrowing from the tens place. One is go to ones place. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. Next one is already go to the ones place. So cross out the 5. Only 4 is here. Write the 4 directly. It is called a subtraction with the regrouping. Let's go to our lesson, subtraction. Exercise 4.3. First one, 15 minus 3. Place values ones and tens. 15. So 5. First solve the ones place. Draw the 5 lines. Cross out the 3. Remaining how many lines are there? 2. So write the 2. Next directly only 1. For example, it is the draw the 7 lines. Cross out the 4. Remaining 3 is there. Here only directly write the 2. It is called a without a regrouping of subtraction. Exercise 4.4. For example, 14 minus 5. So 4 is minus from 5. No, it is not impossible. So take the number 1. Cross out the 4. Write the 14. 14 minus 5, 9. Already 1 is go for the ones place. So remaining only 0. Exercise 4.5. 88 minus 29. First solve the ones places. 9 subtracted from 8. No, it is not impossible. So borrowing the in the tens place. So 1 is get from the tens place. Cross out the 8. Got the 18. 18 minus 9. 9. 1 is already left for it. So remaining 7. 7 minus 2. 5. 7 minus 2. 5. And next one also same. For example, 8 subtracted from 7. No, not impossible. So cross out the 7. 1 is borrowing from the tens place. So 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 8, 9. 1 is already left for the 4. So remaining 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Answer is the 29. Exercise 4.6. It is a word problems. In previous exercises, only subtracted the numbers. But it is the word problem. Solve the converted to numbers and solve the problem. First one, read it and understanding the topic. Henna had 25 toffees. She gave 12 toffees to her friend Minu. How many toffees does Henna have now? Okay, Henna have the 25 chocolates. Once come here, number of toffees with Henna. First, how many toffees of Henna? 25. How many chocolates are? 25 toffees. Next, he give to Menu in 12. 12. So, subtract the 12. What is the answer of this one? So, draw the 5 lines. So, cross out the 2, remaining 3. And next, this one also draw the 2, cross out the 1, only 1 is here. So 13 toffees. Henna have now 13 chocolates. Henna has now 13 toffees. Okay. I hope all are understanding these topics and solve the exercises. This chapter is closed. Thank you so much.